Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher drain pump. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drain pump. The drain pump removes the wastewater from the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the motor's failed and it's not draining the dishwasher, or the body's cracked and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line in the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and pull the lower rack out. To get the rack out, all you have to do is pull it out. Once you have it all the way out, you can lift it off and set it aside. Now we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets. Once you have it out, you can grab the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Once you have it out all the way, we can close the door. Now we're going to lay the dishwasher on its side. So we're going to put a towel down to protect the floor. Once you have the towel down, we can just carefully lay the dishwasher on its side. Now that we have the dishwasher on its side, we're going to put a towel across the motor and these electrical components, just in case any water comes out and you take the drain pump off. Next, we can take off the wires from the drain pump. They're located on the top right here on the drain pump. All you have to do is pull on them to get it out. There's no locking tab or anything. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Then we can use the 5/16" nut driver to take off the drain hose. We're going to loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull the drain hose off the drain pump. Now that we have the drain hose off, we can take the drain pump off of the tub. We're going to use the Torx 20 driver to remove the 3 screws that hold it on. Once you have the screws out, we can pull the drain pump off the bottom of the tub. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old drain pump next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new drain pump on, you want to make sure this lip right here is really clean so it gets a good seal against the O-ring. Once you have it cleaned up, you can lift the drain pump into place. Once you have it lined up, just push it onto the tub. Once you have it in place, we can use the Torx 20 driver to put the screws in. Now that you have the screws in, we can reconnect the drain hose. All you have to do is grab it and push it onto the new drain pump. Once you have it in place, we can use the 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Now we can reconnect the wiring harness. All you have to do is grab it and plug it into the drain pump. It can only go one way. Just press it in so you get a good connection. Once you have it connected, we can put the dishwasher back up on its feet. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16 inch nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws to hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have both screws in, we can put the lower dish rack back in. All you have to do is set it on the door and push it back in. Once you have it all the way in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.